Hi guys, welcome back to SkyX's YouTube channel. I'm taking you guys through a quick installation today. I wanted to redo my whole office, so of course it all starts with lighting. It's the centerpiece of the home, it's the jewelry of the home. So I'm swapping out my fixture today. I'm putting together the fixture, which is honestly the hardest part, putting the down rods through the wire, and of course putting the lampshades on. I'm going to show you guys specifically how to install the SkyPlug device onto your light fixture here in a second. But I'm just so excited to show you guys this transformation. It looks absolutely beautiful. So of course I had to kind of visually measure the length of my down rod. It's important to make sure that you guys are putting your canopy down first through the wire, then you're putting your finial through the wire, and then you're going to put your SkyPlug on. And when you attach the SkyPlug to the finial, you're going to make sure that you are pushing up towards the SkyPlug and that you are twisting and keeping the SkyPlug completely still. This will help avoid twisting of wires. So as you see here, I am twisting and it has been completely installed onto the light fixture. Now it is time to strip the wires. So I'm cutting the ground wire and cutting the live and the neutral, stripping those, and then inserting it into the terminals. It's important to also loosen up the screws on top of the SkyPlug. This allows the wire to be inserted into the terminal so that you can screw it back into place and tighten them up. So here I'm inserting the ground wire, and then I'm screwing the wire in on top with the screw, inserting the live wire, screwing it in on top, and then inserting the neutral wire and screwing it in on top as well. So those should be tight and not able to come loose at all. So now it's done. The fixture is completed. I'm taking down my original fixture, which was just a basic white fixture with the SkyPlug smart device on it. And then it's that easy. You just literally unplug it and swap it out. So now I'm just plugging in my light fixture. That's it. Putting the canopy up, twisting the finial, and you've completely installed a light fixture within seconds. And you're doing your hard wiring on the ground, which is the most incredible part of it all. So I'm so excited. You see how excited I am here. I love the fixture. It looks so beautiful. And this is the completed look of my entire office. Thank you guys so much for watching.